We're in Austin, Texas. We're at the Ham Built Show over here. If you're gonna throw a motorcycle show, why not have a racetrack right next door? So this was a gravel parking lot 3 days ago, and now it's almost a racetrack. So we got a little bit of everything out here. I think it's a really cool, eclectic group of people that have come out here and met in the middle of the country to ride their motorcycles on a track we build in 2 days. I couldn't be more excited.
There's a load of guys out there, everyone seems to be pretty crazy. Whatever goes, you know, as long as we go around, have fun, no one gets injured, that's the most important thing. Apart from that, I don't know, man. It's going to be carnage.
The guys in the hooligan race who do well today are going to qualify to go race COTA tomorrow. COTA is actually the AMA National. It's the big boys.